Hi crafty friends, Ivy here. Welcome to my channel. This is my first YouTube hop for a cherry on top, and the theme for February is favorite hobbies. And one of my favorite hobbies is reading, and I like making different seasonal bookmarks. So for today, we are making a bookmark using the Cartabella Be Mine collection. I'm also using some sprinklets and sparklets and mix-ups from Buttons Galore. We're gonna need our fuse tool. You will also need a clear bookmark sleeve, and then we are also gonna need a paper trimmer, and that is pretty much it. You can use any of the cardstock as base. We're pretty much going to be covering it, so you're not really going to see it, but I'm choosing this pink one with a heart, and I'm cutting it to 2 inches. Depending on the bookmark sleeve that you get, you just pretty much want to make an insert that's going to fit the bookmark. I got the bookmark sleeve from Amazon, and I just cut that to about 5 inches, and I'm going to just measure it on the sleeve to see how it looks, and it looks like it pretty much fits. And this is what it looks like. And now what we're going to do is we're going to start decorating that base layer to see which pieces we're going to use. I love this Cartabella Be Mine kit because it comes with double-sided papers and also some journaling papers and some cardstock stickers. I am going to fussy cut one of the journaling cards because I really love this rose detail, and I'm going to stick that on the top part of the base. This is actually a little tag that came inside the ephemera pack, and it's got a cute image of all the little postage designs on it. It's super cute, so I'm just going to slip that a little bit under the flower detail. This little bookmark piece has to be kind of flat because we can't get it to be too chunky. Otherwise, it's not going to fit inside the bookmark sleeve, but I want to add some dimension and layers, so that's why I'm kind of just adding different elements. I'm going to be using this really cute scallop sticker. It's from the sticker sheet. I'm going to stick that on the bottom, and then I'm going to cover that little piece that says "To My Valentine," and we're going to find a sticker to put on top of that. I just love scallop borders. It's like my favorite shape. Okay, so now once we have the sticker on there, we're just going to trim it off, and I'm going to look for like a little word sentiment. Oh, this green one fits perfectly. It's like the perfect size. So I'm just going to stick that on, and then we are done with this base piece. It's going to be a tight squeeze to get this little piece into the book sleeve, but it's going to fit in there. And then once we have that in the sleeve, we are ready for the fun part. So you can either mix your little sprinkles and stuff beforehand, or you can just throw it into the plastic and shake it up, which is what I'm going to do. So I'm just opening up this Buttons Galore sprinklets and throwing just a bunch in there. And then I'm using a bunch of different ones because I like having like a different mix. Like this one's really pretty with the hearts, and this sprinklet has a little envelope, which I thought was really cute because I used the tag that has the little postage on it. So I'm just going to throw a little bit of that in there as well. Once all of your fun goodies are inside the plastic sleeve, go ahead and shake, shake, shake. And now we are going to use the fuse tool and just seal off the edge. You have to be careful with this because the bookmark sleeve is kind of thin, so you don't want to push too hard, otherwise it's going to pierce through the plastic. So just be careful when using the fuse tool. Now for this part, you can either add some ribbons or a tassel. I'm adding this cute little beaded detail. This is such a cute little easy craft, perfect if you are gifting a book as well. Thank you so much for crafting with me today. Go check out the other hops. The links are in the description below. See you next time. Bye.